Hey, welcome to On the Couch with KWI. I'm Ashley Applegate, and today we're joined by Ian Burcham. Ian, tell us where you're from.
Mount Airy, North Carolina.
All right. Now that sounds like a familiar name for a town. Anything special go on in your particular hometown?
Just the Andy Griffith Show.
Just the Andy Griffith Show.
That's about it.
Sounds like a pretty good deal there. So, welding-wise, how many years of vocational technical training did you have in high school before you come to us, or were you brand new at welding?
I was brand new.
Brand new, okay. So certification-wise, coming out of KWI, plenty of weld certs in your pocket. What was your favorite process and favorite, metal or whatever to weld?
My favorite process was TIG, and my favorite metal was stainless.
Stainless, okay. What makes stainless different than carbon in your mind that made it your favorite?
It just flows better. It follows the tungsten just a little bit better.
Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. So, headed out into work, AWS says we're over 300,000 welders short. Any particular field that you're wanting to jump on for your next job?
Not really. I just want to get on a job and get that experience.
Okay.
So then I can go choose whatever I want.
Yeah, that's a pretty good deal. Be able to pick your own jobs, work where you want, chase the paper, go where the money's at, sort of thing. All right. So if you were looking back at, at yourself, 6-8 months ago, when you were thinking about at a welding school, what made you choose KWI over some of the other welding schools in America?
I just watched a few videos. I watched multiple videos of different places and just kept watching them from here. And I was like, looks like a good school. I'll go there.
Okay. Yeah. So other than welding, a big certification package. A few things you got from the classroom that weren't, particularly an AWS welding certification. What about some of those types of things? OSHA training and MSHA, that sort of thing?
Yeah. I think it'll be helpful on jobs like rigging and signaling.
Okay.
Get to do more, get to stay a little more active.
Okay. So you acquired both your rigger and signal person certifications through NCCCO. Yep. while you're a student at KWI. And then through NCCER, a lot of value added coming into the program.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. What advice would you give, another student who never welded before, thinking about getting into this career, and why did you decide to get out of your previous career and pursue welding?
Well, the money seemed better than what I was doing back home. I guess I'd tell a new student, just ask questions, stay in your boots as much as you can. Because if you don't ask questions, you get stuck. You'll just keep doing the same thing. Okay.
Yeah, for sure. Favorite instructor, who is that coming in here for you? A whole bunch of them, or?
I like all the second shift instructors.
Okay.
You can't really say a favorite. They're always helpful.
Okay, well that's good, because you got to have guys that know what's going on in the shop and while you're running around. So KWI is that brush up package where you get to come back 2 weeks a year, so that's something that traveling as a welder that you can easily take advantage of.
Oh, yeah.
Any one particular company that you're looking into?
Not really. Just whatever I can get hired on to right now with no experience.
Okay. Well, we wish you well in your travels. Thanks for stopping in with us today. You guys have been listening to On the Couch with KWI. Tune in next time.